Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Welcome back and welcome to 2024. To start off the new year, I have a new shipment from Beebeecraft. So we're going to look at it together and see what I've got this time. So I'm pretty excited. I tried to pick some things that might be good for Valentine's Day projects. So looks like we've got 5 things here. So a lot of this stuff, as I've said before, is very well packaged. So I might need to stop the video and open everything and then I'll come back to you in a second, okay? Okay, so we're back. So for those of you who are not familiar with Beebeecraft, they are a website that sells all kinds of beads, craft materials, kits, all kinds of stuff, you know, sew-on flowers for sewing, embellishments. They even sell things for, you know, if you make cards or other crafts as well. Their website is huge. They have like thousands of items on there. So I recommend that you do go and check it out. I'll put a link down below for the items that I have in case you're interested in those, because it can be kind of hard to sift through the thousands and thousands of things that they have. So let's look at this first item here. So these are cinnabar carved flowers. Well, I don't think they're actual cinnabar because it's toxic, has mercury in it. I think these are like replica cinnabar carved roses, but I thought these would be really fun to use. They're about 1 centimeter. I thought these would make some really nice sort of romantic earrings for or even a necklace for Valentine's Day. And I have always loved the look of cinnabar carved things anyway, so I just wanted to see what these are like, and I absolutely love them. You seem to get an absolute ton of them as well. So I think there's, oh, I don't know, there's probably 100 in here maybe. If we kind of say that's like 10, maybe it's 50. Anyway, you get a whole bunch. I mean, this is going to last me a while. So, and they all seem to be really, really pretty. Oop, that one's got a little bit of dirt stuck on it. There we go. So they have a little hole that just goes through sideways, which is good if you're kind of bead embroidering it onto something, you know. It doesn't have an up and down hole. It has a side to side, which I actually prefer. So these are really nice. So, so these are the cinnabar carved roses. And please excuse my croaky voice over Christmas. I unfortunately got COVID from my husband, who got it from someone at a work event. So I'm still a little croaky from that. Okay, so those are really nice. Let's look at this next. So these are cabochons, glass cabochons, and like a mixture of glass cabochons. Colors. I love this. It's so sparkly and pretty. So it looks like we've got some like white and blue, pink and clear, yellow and red, blue and green, and of course these like watermelon looking ones, watermelon tourmaline. So these are I believe 10 by 14. Let me just grab my little trusty tape measure here. Let's take a look. So yeah, 14 by 10. And you get a whole bunch of those. I think it's 50. Let's kind of do a quick count. That's like 10, it's about 20. Yeah, I think it's 50 you get. Really pretty. I like that they don't have a coating on the back that you can see through them. I think these will be fun to bezel around. Ooh, look at this one. It's like, oh, I love that. I like all the different colors that you get. It'd be quite fun to make a necklace or something and actually have a bunch of different colored ones in it. So yeah, I love these. Very pretty, very sparkly, nice cut on them to give extra sparkle. The back has that kind of look, and then the front has a flat face and then the cut around it. So it's a really, really nice cut on them. So they're just glass, but I mean, you know, they're very, very pretty. Okay, so that was our glass cabochons. And let's look at this next. So this is, oh, it's got extra tape. Everything is so well packaged. I love it. And a lot of their items come in these little plastic storage boxes, which is really handy as well, because, you know, you have an easy way to store them. So this, I believe, is a selection of sew-on rhinestones, and I cannot understand how to get into it. Give me a second. Oh, okay. I've managed to get it open. So it looks like that is one bag full. It's just kind of all in there. And then we've got two other separate bags. So this bag looks like it's all pear-shaped sew-ons, and they look to be about 10 by 14 to me. So you get a lot of those ones. And then there's also a little bag of teeny tiny little sew-ons, which I love these. These are adorable. I have not got any this small before. Very cute. Very, very cute. And then the rest are all kind of mixed. So we've got these longer marquise shaped ones. We've got big pears. I think those are probably 25 millimeter. Oh wait, actually, I think that's 25 and that's probably 30 millimeter by 20, and that's probably 25 by 18. Oops. So we got a bunch of those. Oh, you could make a stunning necklace with these. And the gradated sizes. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've also got even smaller than the ones in this bag of the same shape, the teardrop shape. And then it looks like we've got a few different sizes of these marquee shaped ones. So we've got longer ones here. We've got slightly smaller ones, and then we've got really, really long ones. And then we've got these teeny tiny ones. So you get a whole bunch. I think this is a pack of 100, if I'm remembering correctly. And, you know, I mean, such a bargain, you guys. The prices from Beebeecraft, you cannot beat them. You really can't. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Okay, looks like we need to undo this bit here. So they carry lots of different brands, and one of the brands that they carry is the Panda Hall Elite brand. That's another thing I like about them. They have hundreds of brands of different things. So this is a selection of metal stampings, and I'm already impressed by these. I thought they would be hollow, but they aren't. They're actually quite substantial. I thought they would just bend really easily, but these are really good quality, really, really good quality. And I love that. That's pretty big. I think that's, let me get my tape measure again and let's have a look. So going from across, it's about 40 centimeters diagonal and about 32, maybe 33 across. So we've got a whole mixture of different things. So we've got silver rounds here. We've got this big one. Let me see what size these silver ones are. 28. These are 28 millimeters. We've got silver, we've got gold ones. Oh, we've got these fancy ones as well. These are really nice. My thinking was I could put some of the roses on these to make, oh, that one's a brighter gold. So you get different colors. So we've got a more of a bronze, aged bronze, and then a brighter gold one here. Oh, and then there's one in silver. So you get different finishes of the same stamping. So that's really nice as well. Let me see what other shapes we have here. Looks like we've got more of these in the other finish. More of the silver. So you get a lot of these. Look at them all. A big pack of these. So it looks like we've got little brass circles as well. Oh, we've got those, yeah, the gold of those. So it doesn't look like everything comes in every color. We got small gold circles, but we don't have the small brass circles. So it just depends on what stamping it is. Oh no, wait a minute, am I lying? No, you do get each one. Yeah, so you get the silver, the gold, and the, yeah, each one comes in all three colors, it looks like. And here we have this one and that one. Trying to find a gold. Okay, and this we only get two colors, it looks like. However, yeah, this is great. You get a whole bunch of these. I don't know how many there are, but it's got to be at least 30. So that's really fun, and I can't wait to use those for something for a Valentine's Day project. And then last but not least, let me get this cleaned up, and we'll look at our last item. Okay, so I decided to try out some of their earring findings, and these are the Honey Handy brand, which a lot of their findings look really good quality on the website. So these are some glass earrings. Very pretty. They have a whole bunch of different earring findings. You know, there's so many of the same earring findings and different findings, clasps and whatnot on a lot of the websites. And I just am pleased to have such a variety on the Beebeecraft. So yeah, these are really nice earring findings and nice long wires and very pretty glass with the kind of checkerboard cut on it. Don't know if that's picking up, but yeah, I love these. Very pretty. So it's a great place to get findings, great place to get, I mean, it's just so much fun looking at the website, honestly. So as I said, I will put a link to everything down below, and we do have a discount code. So if you put in Jules, Jules 10, you will get 10% off your order. Like I said, I'll put links to everything, and in the next couple videos, we'll do a couple projects using these items. So if you want to get ahead of the game, or if you just see something that you want to add to your stash, go and check it out. Okay, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye for now.